Okay, let's see how to delete the snapshot from Virtualbox. I already have the Virtualbox manager open, so let's start by creating the snapshot. For that I click here and choose snapshots, and now I'll take the new snapshot. I just call it snapshot 1, and it was created. As a rule of thumb, creating snapshots when the virtual machine is off is quicker and creates less problems, so that's what I suggest you to do. Try to create your snapshots when the virtual machine is off, like mine is off right now. Anyway, let's choose our current state and start the virtual machine. And the idea behind Virtualbox snapshots is that every snapshot holds the differences from the previous one. So for me, I only have one snapshot, and every change I do now on the virtual machine is basically a difference from what we have here in the snapshot. So just as an example, let's create a file on the desktop of the virtual machine. And now this virtual machine has a difference relative to the snapshot. So here is what I'm going to do next. I'll turn off the virtual machine. And we can see now that the current state is changed relative to the snapshot. So when we will delete the snapshot, all of these differences need to be merged. So the more differences you have relative to the snapshot, the deletion will take longer. In our case, the differences are really minor, so the deletion should be almost immediate. We simply right-click on the name of the snapshot that we want to delete, and then we delete it. And we get a warning that a merge process is going to happen, and that deleting a snapshot is not recoverable. That's what I want, so I'll click on delete. And we can see that we don't have a snapshot anymore. We only have the current state of the virtual machine. And if we start the virtual machine now, we can see that the file on the desktop is still here, which means that all of the differences were merged and no information was lost.